Hello everyone, so I got such a super exciting thing in the post today. It's the Morphe X James Charles palette. Now I know I'm very late on this, but I missed the first stock, I missed the second stock, and then Cult Beauty really kindly sent it to me. So thank you so much Cult Beauty for making this happen. I'm so excited and grateful and just I know you've all probably seen this. I know you're all probably like sick of the reviews. There's a row of bigger pans with neutral shades in, a white and a black, which is so handy, and then more neutral shades up here with reds and oranges, and then down here is all the colourful shades, which I love. These are obviously gonna be the ones I use the most. I'm not gonna do swatches, and I know a lot of people like swatches, but I personally, I'm one, rubbish at them, two, don't enjoy doing them, three, don't find them very helpful. So I feel like I'm just going to leave that for now and just show you what it looks like on the eyes, because that is where you're going to use it. You're not going to use it on your arm. So I'm going to prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base in the shade 01. I'm going to take the shade Daddy, which is this one here. It's the dark green. I'm going to pack that on my outer corner. Well, inner and outer corner. Oh damn. This shade is very pigmented and I really like it so far. I'm actually going to just join those together through the middle. Now I'm taking a JH40 brush from Morphe and I'm going to go into the shade Cola, which is this darker blue shade. I'm going to go in with a bit of Brother, which is this shade, and just kind of like try and lighten that a little bit. Now going in with an M506, I'm going to go in with Single, like the lighter purple, and I'm going to go above that shade. All these shades are so pigmented, I'm actually dead. That's blending so nicely. I'm just going to take a little bit of this darker purple shade, which is Escape, just to take that in between the blue and the purple. Just literally tapping my brush in the tiniest amount. So now I'm going to go in with a bit more of the P. Louise base. Santa, tell me if you're really there. First, you're going to use the shade Guac, which is the shimmery green. I'm not sure what this is going to be like, but I'm going to put that. Oh, that was way more pigmented than I thought it'd be. I put a bit of the shade Acapella, the shimmery like bright blue. I'm going to kind of put that on top. Okay, so the last shade I think I'm going to take is this shade, which is probably like most known shade in this palette. This is Artistry. Oh my god though, look. Let's put on the middle. Because people were like thinking it was just going to be like that, but apparently it's better over the top of other shadows. I think I'm going to try and put this blue in the inner corner, so it's the shade Hello. Okay, so this is the look so far. I'm not going to say much until the end, but yeah, this is the look so far. I'm going to go off camera and do my base and everything, and then come back and probably do highlighter, do my lower lash line and stuff, and I'll just talk to you about it all. Yeah, I'm just going to try some of face on this side to see if it is too dark. It looks it in the pan, but I don't. Oh yeah, that is too dark. Can you see that? So I'm going to take the shade Skip, which is the, and I'm going to take that on my lower lash line. Okay, so this is the finished look. My honest truthful opinion is that this palette is amazing, and I wouldn't lie, these colours are so vibrant and they were easy to blend, they were so pigmented. I'm probably going to use this palette in so many looks and so many YouTube videos, so I'm really sorry. In December on Cult Beauty there is free worldwide shipping. Everywhere, free worldwide shipping, so if you are wanting the palette and it goes back on Cult Beauty, I'll try and update you on my Instagram stories, so go follow me over there, Alice King Makeup. This lip combo, by the way, is the Morphe lip liner in Coffee and Kissy and Honeymoon. I put a bit of Honeymoon on first, then I put a bit of Coffee and Kissy on. And then the lip gloss is Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. These lashes are also Bold Face Bring It On lashes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. And also don't forget to turn on that notification bell if you want notifications every single time I upload. As I said, my Instagram is Alice King Makeup and I do lots of looks over there. At the moment I'm posting every day for Christmas, even though I haven't said that I am. Basically am. So yeah, let me know if there are any video requests you want me to do, anything you want me to do with the James Charles Morphe palette. I'll definitely be doing lots of looks with it and I will try it out again in other videos as well, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, I'm going to stop blabbering on, I need to go. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.